If you can vote from space, you can vote here on Earth.
That's right.
Right.
That's the message. Bingo.
Just end it there.
Yes.
Right?
I'm seeing first few umbrellas coming out.
All right.
Columbus Avenue. So the
Yep.
rainfall is definitely coming into much of the 5 boroughs of New York City right now. It will only get heavier during the course of the afternoon, especially into the early part of the evening. That'll be the absolute peak of the intensity of this rainfall. Gloomy Gotham. That's what I would call this shot over toward lower Manhattan across the Brooklyn Bridge right now. 50 degrees, light southeast wind out there. That'll freshen up by later on tonight into the day tomorrow. So even though the rainfall will taper after midnight tonight into the day tomorrow, but we'll still have kind of a stiff wind coming in off of the waters of the Atlantic Ocean, keeping it kind of damp. Hourly rainfall rates, yeah, they get up above 0.1. That's the marker of moderate rain. And then up close to heavy rain thresholds as we head towards 6 and 7 o'clock tonight. And that could cause some issues. Of course, during the evening commute, could be some ponding of water at the very least and some localized flooding in poor drainage areas. 50 at Newark right now, also at Teterboro 52. Your warmer temperatures are actually north and west of New York City or farther removed from that rainfall, but you'll get involved in it during the course of the afternoon where you've had steadier rainfall for a few hours down the Jersey Shore. You're stuck in the mid-40s right now, and here's that rain just coming up into Manhattan right now, just getting into parts of the Bronx. The rest of the 5 boroughs getting some light but steady rain. Long Island and Jersey Shore included as well. And that will only become heavier. You see these yellows and oranges kind of blossoming over the area as we head toward the latter part of the afternoon into the early part of the evening. Say between 5 and 8 p.m. is our absolute heaviest rainfall. By midnight, heaviest rainfall probably shifting over eastern Long Island, Hudson Valley, into parts of New England, and then it finally gets out of here later on tonight and early tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning's commute, yes, there could be a few puddles left over, but it won't be nearly as nasty as what we're going to experience this evening. During the day tomorrow, could be a little bit of leftover drizzle and light rain. Doesn't look like a big deal at this point, and we'll try to dry things out by late in the day. Outside chance to see a couple of breaks of sun by late in the day, well north and west in New York City with that northerly wind bringing in the drier air. Speaking of sunshine, we'll have that in spades during the day on Friday. Temperatures back up into the 50s, so we get a brief break in the action before more rain returns by Saturday afternoon. I think the morning Saturday is fine, just increasing clouds. Rain develops in the afternoon, becoming heavier by Saturday night, kind of similar timing to what we're dealing with this storm. Cloudy with rain overspreading the area from the south this afternoon, heavy at times, maybe some flooding by the evening commute, the high getting up to about 54. Rain heavy at times this evening. Watch for flooding on streets and in poor drainage areas. We're down to about 47, that rain tapering off after midnight. Tomorrow's mainly cloudy, maybe a touch of rain or drizzle out there, especially in the morning. The high getting up to about 51. Again, that break on Friday, definitely the pick of the week. 55, some sunshine out there. Clouds are back in here Friday night into Saturday morning. Afternoon rain redevelops on Saturday, turning into a soaking Saturday night. A damp start Sunday, brisk breaks, 52 early, falling through the 40s. A chilly wind to start next week, but already turning milder by Tuesday, back up to about 53. And again, we set those clocks forward by 1 hour, 2 a.m. on Sunday.
Man, I feel like that green is just for me.
Yeah, I'm already grumpy, having lost an hour of sleep.
Right.
So, thank you, Jeff. Yeah, I know. So, all right, how about this? Coming up, the Academy just announced another round of presenters at the Oscars.
Plus, the new Barbie dolls are going to hit shelves in honor of International Women's Day.